In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with supplier overpayments in Xero. Understanding how to manage these overpayments is crucial for keeping your accounts clear and accurate. So let's get started by logging into your Xero account. The first thing you need to do is head to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Simply click on that button to proceed. Now enter your email and password to access your account. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, try using a password manager for easy access next time. After entering your credentials, hit the login button to enter the Xero dashboard. You should now be on the Xero dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive overview of your financial data. Navigating from here, you'll need to find the option to reconcile items. This is your next step in addressing any overpayments with your suppliers. Select this option to bring up a list of transactions that need reconciling. Here, you'll see a customer invoice listed. Click on Find and Match. It's important to ensure you're matching the transactions correctly to maintain the integrity of your accounts. Now select the Match Invoice option. This is where you can identify the overpayment and prepare to manage it properly. Once you've selected the appropriate invoice, you'll need to create a new transaction. Look for the option to receive money. This function helps you differentiate the overpayment from regular payments so it is perfectly accounted for. Next, choose the direct payment option. This directs the funds exactly where they need to go, making sure your ledger is precisely balanced. However, since we're dealing with an overpayment, change the payment type to overpayment. This amendment is a key step to ensure that excess funds are clearly marked and don't get overlooked. Once you've made all the necessary changes, don't forget to save the transaction. Saving frequently can save time and headaches down the line, especially when working with critical accounting data. With the transaction saved, you're now ready to reconcile. This action finalizes the changes you've made and keeps your financial records in top shape. Keep in mind, accurate reconciliation is important for future auditing and reviews. Finally, go ahead and click on OK. This completion step ensures everything is set correctly and confirms the overpayment is appropriately managed within Xero. That's it. You've now successfully learned how to deal with supplier overpayments in Xero. By following these simple steps, you'll maintain accurate financial records and get a clear picture of your business's financial health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.